A Jamaican national is among 11 persons injured in a car bombing in Libya's eastern city of Benghazi today. The Jamaican is in Libya as a United Nations staff member. The extent of their injury is, however, not clear at this time. Two of the persons injured died in the blast. The Associated Press reported that a bomb-laden vehicle exploded Saturday outside a shopping mall, killing at least 2 UN security staff. The Benghazi Municipal Council said the attack targeted a convoy for the UN support mission in Libya. Several persons had to be rushed to the Princess Margaret Hospital for treatment on Saturday after two motor vehicles collided along the Pamfit Main Road in Yallah's St. Thomas. The accident happened minutes after 8 Saturday morning. The most seriously injured was the driver of the coaster bus. He was removed from the wreckage by the firefighters.
On arrival of the brigade, it was observed that a passenger bus heading from Morant Bay collided into a delivery truck heading towards Morant Bay. However, the driver of the passenger bus was trapped, and the jaws of life was brought into operation to cut the wreckage from the driver.
The rain was due in and the truck was coming fast, the bus was coming fast also. And when the bus come around and see the truck, him couldn't do nothing else. Him swing out and the swing out, him and the truck come collide over the next side.